Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Who is this?
Service, sir.
Okay. Hi, Sharu.
Good evening, uncle.
Good evening, Swanes. Good evening, Sahana. Good evening, Mithila. So we'll wait 1 or 2 minutes. Few more can join.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Krishna.
Good evening.
Okay, you can show your homeworks if you have done. So Niranjana. Good evening, Niranjana. Good evening, Nithila.
Thanks, sir.
Good evening, Nitesh.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Nithila. So Niranjana has sent the homework, so I'm going to show you that. So this is what Niranjana has sent. So good work, Niranjana. The colors are very good. I like the reflection also. Reflection dark and the snow color also. The different tones in the snow. That is also very nice. Little dark blue, grayish blue, white, and all that. Looks very good. Good work. Thickness of the tree branches are good. Sky is good, and all other colors are good. Good work, Niranjana. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
The strokes for the leaves can be improved. Can look like leaf-like strokes can be done for the trees.
Okay.
Okay, so that can be improved.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So anyone? Fine. Okay, so let's start today. Today we are going to draw not exactly a caricature, but something like caricature. But generally in cartoon and caricature, they don't do a lot of good shadow, but we are going to do some good shading also. An expressive old man, that is what we are going to draw. So there is no much. I regularly seeing that people are not doing homework, and so I also don't have time. So going forward, there is not going to be any homework for you. Anyway, you are not doing. Also, it could be a good time saving for me. Okay. I have a rough sketch, and so by and large, it is going to look like this. See, look at this old man. It's going to look like this. The expressive eyes and the only couple of tooths. This is what we are going to draw. Okay. Okay. Hope you are ready with your pencil and paper.
நான் வந்து என்னோட ஹோம்வொர்க் என்ற காட்டுறேன்.
Homework? You want to show? Coming, Nithila.
ஆனா நான் இன்னும் முழுசா முடிக்கல.
Okay. Okay, looks good, looks good. Colors are very interesting. நல்லா இருக்கு, very very beautiful. And the leaves எல்லாமே இன்னும் leaf like strokes பண்ணலாம். நல்லா இருக்கு. It is coming up very nicely. Looks good, Nitila. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay, so I need to note down the students. So generally, we don't know what kind of students are coming. Just a minute. Hi, Tanvi. Tanvi has joined.
Hello, sir.
Manu, Nitish. Okay. Okay, so let's make the old man. Let me show you. This is my full paper, full sheet. Almost it is like this, and I'm just keeping my. It's going to be from here to here. Okay. What can we do? So so we are making a portrait now. Okay, so I'm making a oval here. Light lines. Do not draw thick lines. Okay, this is light lines. Can be approximate, and this is a lighter line. This is a circle. Then there is a something like this V-shaped, the bottom portion. Okay, so this is the V kind of V-shaped, this bottom portion. So this together, it's making like the oval shape. We make this oval shape. So I'm going to draw a line here. This is almost in the center. Almost in the center. What is this line? This line for the eyes. Okay, line for the eyes. It's going to be here. These all thin lines. Do not make darker lines. So the circle looks good, looks perfect, but generally the circle can be a little like oval. It is little wide. So I'm going to make it till here. I just made the circle elongated. The side I have increased it. If the lines are increasing, the confusion, so you can erase them. Make it clean. Okay, make it look neat and clean. Only essential lines. So we have okay, hope you are ready with the circle and you made this lower portion. It is like a V thing. So overall, it looks like an inverted egg. Okay, so now I'm going to mark the eyes. Okay, so it's going to be one eye is going to end here. Another eye is coming till this point. So within this, I have to divide this into most like 3 equals, like this. So there's one part, second part, and third part, 3 equals almost. So here we are going to draw the eye. So both eyes should be kind of same size. So that is why we have this kind of division. Once you do that, then you can draw the eye like this. See the upper curve, so that is more curvy. The lower curve is not, it is less curvy. The upper curve is more curvy, like this. This is one eye and one more eye. It's going to be like this. So we do a line in the middle and we are trying to make the eye now. See, this is what I'm trying to draw, okay? After that, we'll draw the spectacles, big nose, open mouth, all that. The eyes going to be expressive. Okay, so far so good. This is good and easy. So we can progress, mark other elements. So I'm just making a line here. This is the line for the eyebrows. Lighter line, okay? So lighter line. Still, I have not made anything darker. Maybe I can make the eye darker, but let's not hurry. So here is a line for the eyebrow and so almost here I'm trying to draw a line, and this is for the bottom of the nose. This for the bottom of the nose. Okay. So if I draw an imaginary line in between eyes, and the line is going to come like this. So line is going to come like this. So the mouth is almost smiling, so it is coming like this. So the lower jaw is okay, it is coming like this. Okay, the center line may not be required. The center line has to be proper. It has to be little inclined like this. But don't worry, it is not required. So the mouth, okay, this is upper mouth and lower mouth. And this lower mouth goes and joins upper mouth like this. This side it is like this. And for the lower mouth, we can draw as double line, talking about the thickness of how thick the lower mouth. Okay, I'll just wait a little bit so that you can catch up. So I'm doing a double line for the lower mouth. Maybe you can clean up some things what is not required. The circle, this line of the circle, so that is coming inside. That I'm not required anymore. So if you notice in the circle, bottom of the circle, the nose comes. Okay, so that also you can remember. Those interested in drawing faces. Okay, so I've erased that. That need not create a confusion. Line in the middle also I can erase. The spectacle is going to come, but so before that, we can draw some more things. There's a second line around this eye I'm trying to draw. Okay, and generally the old people have a lot of wrinkles, and there is one more line also. Two lines I have drawn. So here also there is one line and there is one more line I'm drawing. Okay, this eyebrow also is going to be bigger. So don't worry, approximately still lighter lines only I'm trying to draw. Here is an eyebrow, here is an eyebrow. So maybe it is a good idea to draw the eyeball. Okay, so this eyeball is like this. So generally we draw the eyeball touching the upper eyelid, but now I'm drawing this eyeball touching the lower eyelid. So there is a gap between upper eyelid and this ball. So that is making it look more expressive. Okay, so that is making it look more expressive. Fine. The details, maybe we can fill it later. So I'm little curious to draw. என்ன கிருஷ்ணா blurring ஆ இருக்கா? Yes. So I will bring my phone so that the camera can focus. Okay. Okay. Next. So next, let's do the specs. Okay, so specs I am planning here. So it's going to end here. And the right side, it is going out of this face. It is going to end here. On the left side, it is a little bigger, and right side, it is a little smaller. So just making a rectangle, like a rectangle box. Okay, here I'm going to make a thing. So this curve I'm making. So this is going to rest on the nose. Okay, so this is going to rest on the nose like this. So this I can draw. So from here also I can draw like this. Further here I'm making this edge like this. So here I'm making this, the line in this angle, making a nice curve in the edge, a simple curve. In the left side, it is like this. The frame has something like this. The right side also I can make right for this. Make this line. Okay, so we made this line. So now, how thick the specs is? So inside, I'm making this line inside. So I made it thicker like this. So right side also almost same thing I'm going to do. But before that, I like to complete the nose. Okay. How do I complete the nose? So you know there is approximately where is the middle line, and this nostril, I'm just making this curve, and right nostril, it's going to be bigger, and it is crossing the specs also, like this. In the right side, it is crossing the specs also. So the line for the specs that I can erase. This nose goes like this. Okay, further I can make this curve. Probably this curve has to come like this. I made this curve. Second, erase the guiding line for the eye and for the specs. So now this nose line has come. Now I can draw the specs line. This line goes like this. Okay, specs line I have drawn. Specs line, and let's make, there is a one more. This is an important line that I'm making. Okay, there is going to be another line in the other side. So little bit I'm making that line also. Now already is becoming expressive. There's going to be a lot of the hairs for the, just like this. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of hair. It's going to be like this. Maybe I can keep it here.
Good evening, sir. I'm sorry I'm late, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you started? Oh, yes, it started.
Already half an hour. So you try your best. So you know that we need to draw like a oval, the line in the middle for the eye. There are so many things. Try best to do it. So, but I need to continue with the class. If you're finding tough, then you can see the video and do it. Okay. Okay, so after this, now probably the eye details we can start with. Um, eye details we can start with. Some more shapes also we can do. The right side, but the forehead, look at this, the small dip I'm trying to do like this. So making stronger line like this. The cheeks lines are coming like this. So a little bit I have increased, then after that it is going inside like this. This shape I'm trying to do. The bottom I don't want to touch because there's a lot of hair lines are going to come. That is all. For the ears also there is a lot of hairs, but there is no harm marking the ears. As you know that ears are between this eyebrow and the nose. So look at the nose, and this being old men, ears can be little bigger. For old people, the ears get bigger actually. It's a curve in the top. This is coming like this, and there's a curve in the bottom. Okay, I'll just wait here so for you to catch up. At least we can complete the specs line so that you know it's going to go in the ears. It's like this, and there is a second line also I'm trying to draw. It's going till I'm erasing it. So it is going to go little down here. Okay. But in this area, mostly the hair is going to come. Azad, look at this. I'm going to draw for you quickly. So this, I'm starting like this. Then after that, I made this V shape like this.
The line in the middle, the right?
Yeah. Then after that, here is the line in the middle. Then after that, the eyes are from here to here. So this I'm dividing into 3 for both the eyes. So to do this, and rest of the things are going to be easy for you. So here you can build the eye. You can draw the eye here.
Sir, should we draw this again?
No, I'm trying to draw this for the latecomers. You don't have to draw again. So this you can draw. Then there is a line for the eyebrow and the line for the nose, bottom of the nose. Okay, so like this you can build it easily. Then after that, the specs also you can draw like this. You can draw a rectangle for the specs like this. Then start with this line in the middle like this. Then you can build the spectacle like this. The nose comes like this, the bigger nose for this person. The mouth, this line and this line. Okay, so this is how you can proceed. So anyone like to show so far what you have done? The mouth, we can make some teeth also. Let's make only 2 teeth. Is a 1 teeth, maybe 1 more teeth like this. The left side I can increase little bit. Okay, so a lot of details we need to add. So let us finish this eyes, then that is going to give a good foundation. So I like to start with the eyes. That we can do. Otherwise, I'm going to add some wrinkles to make it look like an old man. Right. So in the bottom, one more line I'm trying to draw for the right and for the left. Then I'm making this wrinkle. This one wrinkle and so one more. So curvy like this. Some wrinkles in the left. Some mild lines I'm trying to draw. So some lines like this also comes. The important wrinkles are going to come in the top of eyebrow. That is going to be like this. So this is one, this is another. Probably this can continue to the other side. One more also I can think of. Couple of wrinkles I made like this. So here I'm going to make it vertical. There are some vertical wrinkles also happens. So few vertical wrinkles also I'm making it. Okay.
Sir, I'm almost done catching up with you. Sir, wait, sir.
Okay, good. So I'm seeing Sahana, it is good. It is good. All the details are present. With respect to the nose, this is a nostril round that should be smaller than the middle part. Okay. This curve is only till here. Then the middle part takes the major curve. So that is a correction. Otherwise, by and large, it is good. And maybe some correction for the ears also required. Okay, it's not bulging much. There is a small bulge. That is all. Okay, Sahana, good work.
Thank you, sir.
I'm seeing from surveys. Okay, surveys, nice. You could have made the drawing a little bigger, but it is okay. It is looking good. I'm seeing from Niranjana. Okay, good Niranjana, very nice.
Thank you.
Nice. Okay. Okay, all the details are good. Good work. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Seeing from Hema. Okay, nice work, Hema. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So we can start adding details.
Wait, sir. Almost done, sir. Just need to add a few more wrinkles.
Okay. I'm seeing from Krishna now. நல்லா இருக்கு Krishna. The right side வந்து it is simple. Okay. So அது கவலைப்பட தேவையில்ல. There is a bulge I'm seeing. It can be very simple like this. Otherwise, all the details are good. Particularly, eyes are very good. And the nostril curve, okay, the clean curve should be like this. Sir, okay, good work.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Sahana, Sahana is showing again. Okay, the ears you have corrected. That's very nice. Good. And the guiding lines you can erase, Sahana. The bottom of the nose, all that you can erase. Okay, good work. Very expressive and nice.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Okay, good. You got it correctly. Eyes are good. Specs lower side. Okay, that is nice. Now, no problem. So good. You could do so fast. Very good.
thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Now I'm taking a little more closer to make the details of eyes. Okay, Krishna, I see that you have corrected right side. Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let's do eyes. I'm going to make it darker. See, now only I'm going to make it darker. So here there is a line I'm doing. The upper part of the eye can be in your pencil, maximum whatever you can make it darker. You can make it darker, the upper part. Okay, so I made the upper part darker like this. So this eyeball. So the eyeball is a easier thing to do. So you in the middle you have to make a darker spot, and you can work on a highlight. In the highlight is there is a highlight in the left. I'm trying to make so small round. I have done it. And apart from that, rest of the places I'm giving a mild shading. Medium shading. Medium shading I'm giving, not dark shading. So this medium shading I have done. Okay. Then couple of lines also I can draw. Arc, the radiating lines you can draw. So that is all. The same thing I can do for the other eye also. I can also make the two lines around the eye. One line and second line, that also I'm trying to make it darker. Maybe this lower eyelid also can be made darker. Okay, the same thing I will do for the other eye also. Dark spot in the middle, there is a highlight, there is going to be some shade. And some line. Okay, then you can give some shade, medium shade. Always start with the medium shade. In the end, we will see if we need to give some darker shade. So I'm trying to give a medium shade here. So here I have done a medium shade. Okay, and the below also I'm giving a medium shade. Same thing for the other. This is not a dark shade, it is only medium shade. Dark shade I will do for the specs. We need to increase the speed. Sahana, you can mute. A lot of noise coming. Medium shade followed by then dark shade. A little bit of dark shade in this place, right side. Here I'm trying to do. Okay, here I've done little bit of dark shade. Okay, and here also I'm trying to do little bit of dark shade. That is all. So here I have done dark shade and here I have done dark shade. So I'm trying to do in the other side also little bit of dark shade. Here I'm doing this side also. I'm trying to do little bit. Maybe it's close to the eye. I mean, in the bottom also right side, I'm trying to do little bit of dark shade. Okay, Zat, good, good. Okay, good, good. Looks good. And the specs, definitely specs, we can give a darker shade. So I'm trying to give darker shades. Let's do make the specs also darker. In the middle, I'm trying to make it darker, but there's a fine line I'm trying to leave it. That is for some reflection.
Ah, उसके लिखा. Sir, the reflection, you cannot actually see it.
No, the edges of the black specks, you can little bit you can see. So here I made a there is a white gap I have done. That is for that kind of reflection. And inside the eye, it looks pure white. I'm considering it is like a ball. So if it is a ball, one side you can do some shading.
Sir, I didn't erase the guiding lines.
You didn't erase, okay. So I'm considering this ball eye. So one side you can little. So the right side I'm going to give a little bit of shade, light shade. The right side I'm giving light shade. Okay, so in this ball in the left side and right side, trying to give a little bit of shade. Fine. So almost we have completed this part and we have to move on to the next. Okay, looks good. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, why does he only have 2 teeth?
Others have fallen down.
But then how is he supposed to chew?
That's a challenge for him. These are the issues for the old age people. So we have to help them. They won't be able to eat mutton, chicken, or any hard items. They won't be able to chew. Okay, we are going very slow. We have to pick up the speed. So I'm going to take a couple of lines in the right side. Look at this. I'm simply making one line, two line. That will tell about the glass thickness of glass. Here also, let me make a couple of lines. Okay. Some 2 lines I made. Okay, so here also the edge, I'll leave a gap. So here I forgot to do. I have to make it darker. So I'm trying to make it darker. Here also maybe some design we can make, but I'll just leave another small gap. Okay, so now some more shading. Notice the right eye. So here, little bit of shading here I can do. Then I can make these eyebrow lines. The hair, so you can expect there's a lot of hair for the eyebrow. Some hair is coming out like this. It's doing the little bit of shadow here in the left side where the hair is going to start. So making some hair here in the left side also. I made some hair and a little bit of shadow here. This shadow is going to come down. So this we all never do darker shadow unless otherwise we know. Start with the medium shadow or light shadow. So here I'm doing some shadow here. What is that song, Azhar? Okay, so here some shadow. These places I'm trying to give some shadow. Below the nose also there is some shadow. there is a shadow in the nostril lower part. There is a shadow. Okay, there is a shadow in the middle bigger nose. Also, there is a shadow. These all medium shadows I have done. So you have to make it a little fast. Medium shadows. Then I will make it a little dark. Yeah. Hey, wait. I have not yet finished. Follow me. This is a darker shadow. These nostrils here, I'm just making it darker. Okay. Here a little bit darker. The nose also here a little bit darker. Always you should try to find the medium shadow and darker shadow and try to work out, and that is going to make it more beautiful.
Sir, done?
Yes. Okay, nice. Looks nice. So these eye lines also you can make it more darker. The upper eyelid for
I
both.
did make it darker.
Okay. Okay, Service. Good. Looks good, Service. Yeah, I'm seeing from Sahana also. Okay, Sahana, looks good. So kind of let us finish the mouth. After that, the hair will finish it. Okay, we'll do then the rest of the things. In the mouth, I'm going to do a few teeth in the lower. So I'm just making like this, few teeth in the lower side. Few teeth in the lower side. Then after that, so the upper teeth I'm trying to make a little darker. Then first I'm going to start with medium tone.
Hello.
So leave out the teeth, then you can give shade. This is a medium shade I'm trying to give for the whole mouth. Okay, so lower teeth also I can try to make a little darker. Lower mouth also gets darker. So only, I mean, looks like he's lost upper teeth, but lower teeth are present. So give this medium tone. After that, dark tone you have to give. So tongue. So the area of the tongue. Okay, around that, in the right side, I'm just making it darker in the right side, making darker in the left side, like this. Now looks like we can see the tongue. It's a little bit of darker shade on the top also. Now we can see the tongue, and in the middle also there is a little bit of darker shadow in the middle. That is just to show the shape of the tongue. Okay, Azad, should be good. Yes, it is good. Yeah, fine. It is good. So the lower mouth, okay, I'm seeing from others also, Niranjana. Okay, good, good, nice. The middle line also for the tongue you have to do, Niranjana.
Okay, sir.
So the middle line you have to do, and there is a shading from the top for the tongue. That also you have to do. Darker shading from the top. That you
Okay.
okay. Okay, I'm seeing from surveys. Okay, surveys nice. Looks like fully dark, but the tongue has to be lighter, little lighter. Then around that it has to be darker. Okay, good. I'm seeing from Sahana. Okay, nicely done, Sahana. Very good. Okay, I'm seeing from Em also done. Very good. Nicely done. Good work, Emma. From Krishna. Okay, Krishna looks good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So next, so maybe we will start with the hair. We have to do the hair. Sahana, will
Sir, will we do the neck and all?
No, not much. So let's finish this first. So I'm going to make the hair. So see the lines. Don't do any straight lines for the hair. First, let's do all. Look at these nice curvy lines. So do a lot of curvy lines like this. Then after that, we'll do some shading also for the hair. So I'm making a lot of curvy lines like this. So I made a lot of curvy lines for the mousse. I'm also going to do for the beard. Okay. So this side, left side also. Left side it is too long. It's going to come from ears. So look at all the curvy lines that I'm trying to make. So if it is boring, start from some other place like this. So I've done a lot of hairs now. In the top also we have to do. Wait, Azad, we'll finish it and I'll see. Then everyone will start showing. We'll save some time. So there's a lot of hair in the top head also. The side.
Really, we bald?
What? Yes, yes. That saves our time.
That also makes him more old.
More volt. Yes. So he has some hair here. So maybe a little bit in the top also we can give. Okay, Azad. Good, good. The lines can be stronger actually. Okay, more bold. That's okay. Okay, looks good. Yeah.
Sir, I didn't have time for positioning, so I got a lot of space down below.
Okay.
One side.
Maybe you can complete this drawing by adding something in the front. So he's excited looking at what? Later, not now. Not now. Okay, so now, so we are going to do some shading also. First, so the hair is not complete now. We have to give some shading. First, for the lips, there's a little bit of this vertical lines I'm trying to do here. So small, tiny, tiny vertical lines I do in the lower lip. Okay, so I've done that. This is small, tiny. Okay, then so I'm going to give some shading. So below the nose, we already give a darker tone here. That I'm going to extend it. So okay, some light shading from here. The left side also some light shading I'm trying to give like this. Okay, this light shading I'm trying to give. Do it in the right side also like this. It can be light or you can think about medium shading. Okay, not so dark. Some medium shading here, here. Okay, near the. You need to observe carefully. So where and all I do the shading. So like that, you can think about. You can do it. So below the lips also, I'm trying to do. So you remember how we draw the hair. So we draw a bunch of hairs, then we do shading in each bunch, right? So there's a directional lines plus shading. There are two things together to be done. So below the mouth, I have done this shading. Then some shading like this, some lines, some shading like this. See, some of these lines are coming like this, the shading. Okay, so in the shading, some lines like this are coming. This area, like this. Almost in the top, I'm going to do a lot of shading. Now to the skin also, we have to do the shading. From the nose, we in the bottom of the nostril, there is a shading, and that continued here, like that. Like that. The cheeks also, this shading, whatever I have done, we have done this, taking it to the cheeks also, little bit like this. Taking the cheeks like this. So this place, here also I have to do some shading. This place, in the left, this place I've done. Then I'm going to do this place also. I'm doing some medium shading. This continues and so the left side, you see these places and all, I have done this medium shading. Okay, so little in the right side also, there is a little bit of shading. So many places we are doing this shading and ears also.
Sir, why aren't we doing in the forehead the shading?
Yeah, next we are coming to the forehead. The forehead, when we do the shading in the forehead, okay, so we can do little bit. So little bit like this, forehead. And here, little bit in this place, little bit near the eyebrow, the shading goes up vertically here and here. Okay, so these are all kind of little bigger shadings. Okay, so we can see. Okay, Azad, good. Looks good. Okay, surveys looks good, but you have done little darker shading surveys. You have to do lighter shading. Okay. Okay, good. When I say medium shading, it is lighter shading. You have to be careful. Very good, Krishna. So you controlled this medium shading you have done. That is very good. Good work. I like your Long lines. The ears also you can do little bit of shading here.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next kind of shading is that these lines, the wrinkle lines present, right? Though for near those wrinkle lines also we have to do shading. That is a minute and small shading we have to do. See for the lips, how I have done is like these lines I have done. So it's almost like this. See in the forehead, we already have a line, but I'm going to do this. See, for each line, I have to do like this actually. Okay, this line-based shading. So here there is no line, but still I can do. Take your time, do this tiny, these lines. It's going to look good. It's not only here, the wrinkles are happening here also. Okay, these wrinkle lines, you can make it a little darker. And you can do this. Side also, these lines come. Okay, so some places in the left, I'm trying to make this darker shading. Some nerves can go and look like this.
Said answer.
Okay, just wait.
Sir, I'm just adding more wrinkles.
Okay.
Betty.
I have muted for you, Azad. Okay. Some thin lines like this, they definitely make your drawing more beautiful. I'm just adding some thin lines. To make your drawing more sketchy. Some thin lines like this. So I've added some thin lines like this. Okay, so teeth. Is it a golden teeth? So how to make it shiny?
We add highlights to them.
Yes. So you can use your eraser and try to make some sharp lines. I have this eraser, so I'm going to make
I
this.
don't have that eraser. I have this eraser.
Okay, so I'll also use that, your same eraser. Okay. Now I'm trying to make Around this teeth, I'm trying to make these lines. So try to use the edge of your eraser.
My eraser doesn't have an edge.
What when you have to create, or just erase it around that. Then after that, I'm taking it closer. So I erased the way I have erased, it's not proper. So you can also erase like that. But so after that, see with the pencil line, pencils, and you can make it sharp like this. Around it, you can.
Looks like a Brussels sprout, a spinach or something.
Shining. Only one tooth is shining, other tooth is not shining.
I just erased the whole tooth and then drew it back again and then.
Yes, that's the idea. I just made it look like shining. So you can erase the larger part, and you can draw like this shining. Okay, you made one tooth shining. Hey, I don't see teeth. Azad. Okay. Now around it, carefully you have to give the shading, okay?
Done, sir.
Okay, so we are this time we are completing. I am going to make my bird sit here. Tiny bird. It is sitting here. Okay, so this mild thing, some darker last thing, okay, some darker shade also to be done. So here I'm going to some places. So here I'm going to make it darker. The final step. Finishing touches is called finishing touches. Here I'm making it darker. Here I'm making it darker. It's mostly in the left side, I'm trying to make it darker. Okay, left side I just made it darker. Here also little bit darker I can do. One eye, right side eye, little bit of shading I've done. So only this left eye is bright. So these are all the kind of final touches you can think of. Okay, now you can show your works. I have finished. Take time and finish it and show. Okay, Azad, nice. He's looking happy, and your lines for the ears and some lines for this bird also can be made more darker. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good work, good work. So you came late and you successfully completed. I'm seeing from Niranjana. Okay, Niranjana, good. The
But
final
it's
touch.
very dark.
Okay.
The camera is looking like white light.
Fine. So Niranjana, you have to the final touch I was talking about. So this place you need to make it darker. So like this, you need to make it darker. The final touch darkness to be done. Otherwise, the expression is good. Under the nose, it has to be darker. So these for dark tones are quite important. Okay, the nostrils, under the nostrils, it has to be darker, right? Okay, other things are good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'm seeing from Manav. Okay, நல்லா இருக்குமா, very good. The portrait looks good. So no shading la பண்ணனும். இங்க left sideல there are a lot of wrinkles you have to do. Wrinkles under some dark tone that you have to do. Otherwise it is looking good. அப்புறம் இந்த these spectacles, this line goes here. And from that point, this ears can start. Because on the gap this goes, right? So that you can do. Okay, good work. So I'm seeing from Hema now. Nice work, Hema. Nicely done.
Sir, my homework, sir. I forgot.
Just wait. I'm just seeing others. Left side, some more darker shading to be done. Okay, as the final touches. Okay, so this place and this place, these two places to be made darker.
Okay.
Okay, looks good, Hema. I'm seeing from surveys now. Okay, surveys. The ear looks little bigger. All right, so good that you could join today and make this artwork. It's nice, looking nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm seeing from Azad now. Okay, looks very colorful and very nice, Azad. So congratulations, and you are one of the person who did consistently the homework all the time. Okay, good work.
Thank you, sir.
Going forward, but I'm not having much time, so I won't be doing homework for you. Only classworks.
Yeah.
Anyway, most of other people also don't do it. That's why. Okay, I'm seeing from Krishna. Okay, nice dark. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு Krishna. Everything is good. Left side இந்த இடத்துல இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் dark பண்ணணும். Okay, இந்த இடத்துல. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I can never tell you that you have to make it darker because you do it darker. But here is the place you have to make it darker. This is nice. Good work. Very expressive and very nice. I'm
Thank
seeing Sahana now. Sahana.
Can I leave?
Yes, you can leave.
Bye, sir.
Right.
Bye, sir.
Sahana is nice. Hair, everything is good. Eyes are good. So
Sir, can I leave service?
yes, service. Yeah. So in the mouth also some more darkness you can bring in. Okay, then it will look good, nice depth. The hair, you should not have a straight line, all curvy lines. Okay, good work, Sahana. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, who is Siva? Someone stop recording. Anyway, I'll wait for you to show.